Now, let's look at some different kinds of ways that we can classify things and the way a disease cycle works. This talks about being biotrophic versus being necrotrophic. Bio means life, necro means death. Troph means to feed, so something that is biotrophic feeds off of living material, something that's necrotrophic feeds off of dead material. And this is an important distinction to make because when we look at pathogens on plants, we see both scenarios. Biotrophic are what we call obligate parasites. They must feed on living tissue because if they can't feed on living tissue, they don't grow. There are a lot of different biotrophic materials that we will talk about, everything from rust fungi to certain downy mildews to other materials such as powdery mildews, where they have to have a living host in order to be able to function. They can only obtain nutrients from living cells. And many times they produce haustoria, and haustoria are little invaginations in between the cell wall and the cell membrane that allow for the exchange of material so that it can pick up the food that it needs. We also have necrotrophic. Necro means death. These are pathogens that cause the death of the cell, and then they colonize it and they take the material that's left over. So they cause death out of it, and as they do it, we have all those necrotic type symptoms. So something that is doing a necrosis is a necrotroph. And as they do that, they remove material. Now, sometimes we can say that they are facultative, and facultative means that they can go either way, and in the beginning they may start on the living tissue and then very rapidly cause its demise and then go from there. Big distinction, big importance to understand the difference between biotrophic and necrotrophic.